Hey, this is Sabrina with 7th Stream, and I'm going to show you how to do a search on YouTube and do an even more advanced search on YouTube if you'd like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and search mobile monkey GIF on here and just hit enter. So you'll see I have our results here. Here's actually our video that we did on adding a GIF to your mobile monkey chatbot builder. Then what you can do is you can hit filter, and you can choose from a wide variety of filter options. So we have last hour, today, this week, so you can search by upload date. You can search by the type, whether you're looking for a channel, a playlist, a video. You can search by duration, by the features that the video has, whether it has a 360 cam on there, HD, 4K, it's a live video. And then you can also sort by upload date, relevance, view count, and rating. So you can choose whichever one you want there. Now let's say I want to find Lori Ballen's channel on here. If I just search for Lori Ballen, her channel actually comes up right at the top. So I don't need to go into that filter, but if I wanted to, I can go in there and I can say, I only want to see channels with Lori Ballen. And then it pulls up all the different channels that are related to Lori Ballen specifically. And that is how to search on YouTube. If you have any questions, please comment below and be sure to subscribe and hit that bell for updated notifications on when we upload new videos for you. Thanks so much for watching.